Okay, so to do our half double crochet decrease, or HDC2 together, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. So yarn over and pull up that loop. Then we're going to stop there, and we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go into our next stitch and insert our hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So we've got 5 loops on our hook. We need to get them all off at the same time. So yarn over, point your hook down, you'll slide through all of them nice and easy, and you've just done your HDC2 together. So turn 2 half double crochets into 1. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, stop, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all 5 at the same time. That can also be a HDC3 together, 4 together, whatever it may be. You're just going to go in and stop before you do that last step of your half double crochet by completing it, and yarn over and go into the next stitch. Stop, yarn over, go into the next stitch, however many you need to do, and then just finish them all off by pointing your hook down and getting through them nice and easy. That's the half double crochet decrease, or HDC2 together. If you need a slower, more in-depth video, check out my half double crochet decrease videos, and thank you for watching.